In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a hollow text effect in Photoshop. It is super simple to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your project. Then you need to locate the text tool and create your text. Then from here you can change the font, the size, the thickness, really whatever you want to change on your specific font. It should work either way. Then from here you need to select the text, go over to the layer and layer style and add a stroke, like so. Then from here you can change the size to whatever you want. You can change the position, the blend mode to whatever you want, and you need to make sure that you have opacity set to 100%. Then from here you can also change the color to whichever color you want the stroke to be. Then from here, when you have it with your stroke, you need to click OK. Then from here you need to go down to the text and change the fill to 0, like so. And as you can see now, it has been transparent background, but the stroke is still visible. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!